In my last video, we did my makeup from the year I was born, 1986, and today we're gonna do the hair. Go back and watch the video of me doing my 1986 makeup right there, and then you can come back here and watch how I do my hair. I'm going to be using this old Emika wand that I love today. I'm not even sure if they sell this one anymore, but it is Emika. It's titanium. It's 1 inch at the base and 3/4 of an inch, so slightly tapered at the tip. But honestly, any medium to small wand or curling iron that you use should be similar to what I'm using today. In the 80s, they wouldn't have used a wand. They would have used a curling iron or hot rollers. I've done those. I'm not as good at using them. I am much better with a wand. So for the sake of hopefully getting my hair to look like I want it to, as opposed to experimenting with new tools, I am going to use the wand. We're gonna add my favorite dry heat protectant. This is the Firewall by AG, and it goes on my hair, dry hair. It doesn't make it wet, so I can use it immediately, and it protects from the heat. I'm going to start with some side sections. And I'm going to curl towards my face. And then I'm going to put a roller in it. Do the bangs. I do kind of wish I had bangs, like actual bangs, because that would be much more 80s. I don't, so we're just gonna use my fringe. And we are going to curl that forward, like so. Just like that. I'm gonna put that in a big roller, straight up and then down for maximum volume. Then I'm just gonna curl all over. Now we are just going through and just curling the rest of the hair into ringlets. Downside to using a wand, super easy to burn yourself. Despite being something that I do all the time, yes, I still burn myself and it hurts. Now I'm being pretty messy with making these curls. I don't know if that's a mistake or not, but my theory is I'm gonna mess my hair up quite a bit. So I don't think the curls, the pattern, or anything like that really matters. Just getting the hair curly is the goal here. All right, let it all cool. And then we'll take out the rollers. I get that like wing. Okay, everything's out. We've got lots of volume at the front, lots of volume at the sides, and we are just going to start to tease everything. We'll start by teasing the bang. And the sides. And then just going around and literally teasing it to make big hair. I mean, the 80s was probably like a fine-haired girl's dream because these big fluffy styles. I mean, even if you didn't have a lot of hair, you could do this. I mean, especially if you got a perm that like fried your hair. I can't decide if I love this or I hate it. Again, I don't think my bangs and my hair is cut quite right for the perfect 80s vibe, but not bad, not bad. I am going to go in with a classic though, the banana clip. I know some people say flip your head upside down, so we're going to try. I've got it at my neck. All right. See, that just doesn't work for me. I don't know how you all flipped your heads. The lean back and shake works better for me. Oh, I pulled it apart. These are definitely cheap. These are the Amazon banana clips. It's not broken. It just comes apart really easily. But I feel like back in the day, they were probably sturdier. But it is what it is. This is what I could get. Oh, so much better. I cannot do the flip forward. Oh my gosh. I've got so much product in my hair. It's making it hard for the comb to get through, which I feel like would have been a problem in the 90s or the 80s because they would have put a lot of hairspray. But there we go. I think I'm going to get it. It's just a testament, though, that just because you're good at doing hair doesn't mean you're going to be good at everything. It takes practice to do any new style. All right. There we go. 80s hair, 80s makeup. That was fun. I hope you enjoyed my 1986 hair and makeup tutorial. I'm sure the ladies who actually were rocking their hair and makeup in the 80s are going to tell me how I did it wrong. That's okay. I had fun. So let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if there's another decade, another year you would like me to try. Because it was fun and I would love to do that again. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I will see you next time. Bye guys.